She just a fall back on this money now.
Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. So now I have some breaking news out of Jamaica. Popular Mongoose, who goes by the name of Pixel, has been reported missing since early Tuesday, October the 29th, 2024. The last time Pixel was seen was in a movie mood alongside his owner, who goes by the name of Skully. So Pixel, who became popular on TikTok and other social media platform and gained large range in Jamaica from journalists, from veteran and all type of people, gained these attention, making headline and news media sites, cause everyone know a mongoose can be dangerous. But Pixel seems to be a different type of mongoose. Based on what the owner Skully said, Pixel, he have Pixel from Pixel was a baby. He grow Pixel and train Pixel to become the type of mongoose. So what he's saying, Pixel is totally different than any other type of mongoose. Well, based on what veterinary doctors have said, mongoose can spread diseases like rabies and others. But this man is saying, the owner, no, Pixel won't do that. Well, basically, he has Pixel for quite some time, and he said he has done his checks at doctors and has found nothing wrong with him. But since now, Pixel has been missing. He's sad, the owner Skully, and he's saying anyone who have any information pertaining to Pixel whereabouts, you can reach him on TikTok. Just type in Pixel the mongoose or Skully Pass. Well, my viewers and subscribers, if you came across Pixel in your area, please reach out, because Pixel seems to be something different, something special. And right now, Skully said he can't continue go on without Pixel. He said in himself, he don't think Pixel would have leave or go nowhere or straight anywhere away. He's hoping for the best that no one has harmed Pixel. Knowing Pixel has gained all his attention and where Jamaicans are craving for mongoose, so they need mongoose as a pet, he don't know if Pixel may be captured and the capturer may demanding a ransom for a Pixel. So all he's doing and praying and hope for the safe return of Pixel. So thanks for joining. This is NEWLINK from the NEWLINK comedic newsroom. But no joke about it, people, Pixel has been missing. Please remember to do like, do share, do comment and do subscribe. Safe return Pixel. Your owner Skully, he need you. Peace out.
Road Pixel coming. Yeah, I practice him before, you know, so I'm going up the road. Cara come, let's see if this will work. Pixel Cara come. I'm going to try and go up in the bush. Come now. There, touch the road, you know? Nice sun there. Can't call it birthday walk. I know how far she can walk go. Come pick some. She like, you look like she like go for the road, you know. Road girl. And town girl. Come now, pick some. Pick some. Come. Come in. Slow now, so I just put her up on my shoulder. Watch out my job. Come back up one, you have to learn now, Pixel. Then two right there just a play now. And run coming here saying Pixel jump out of my lap and grab him now. Nothing can kill you though, but me rat by ball out. Pixel just run out of my lap. Channel. You're not dead yet, you know? Okay, we couldn't see. Me have a lift up my foot off her ground. Whenever rat see a fish eat though. Because why you hold your tail like that? Poor rat, the rat still alive. Sure. That dead now, you know? Pigs not carry him to my back, you know. If I do that, but the other thing go. Right, he's been going around, so. She can, the rat come back in here, so let him go. He rat run, then he run, they go catch him back and carry him back. Why pick some mess with the rat like that? Watch out, him been and let it go. Watch. I just feed her so she not hungry. So she have to just play the rat until the rat dead. Then she just hear the don't let for not hear that. Which I seen come back there. Pixel, leave him. You see, I never catch you front part, Pixel didn't have my lap, you see me? And I drop asleep and you two rat them bowl like them a player come, you know. And when Pixel see them in run and catch one, the next one escape though. Look like I told of rat. So the next one run and this one I get catch. But Pixel did quicker than them. Seeing that move then now, and probably give him too good bite or something. Or rat a play there, I don't know. Looking at rat high. Or in foot a kick. That means I'm dead. This is a close-up video of Pixel hunting. This video probably get too long now, so I will stop it. And probably dash for rat because watch out, I'm gonna bite the head. Pixel? This too long now, no one can watch off the same top. Look at the rat gone in, I don't know how I'm up with. It's an egg, me boil the chicken and cut away fine and mix it with the egg. You've been there a bit fair, but you just she gone boy business, me just have to go here and just get to feed her from morning. No, me give her meat, chicken separate. So it's a lunch.